Hi everyone, this is Tulsi. Welcome to my channel. I post videos related to art, DIY, creativity on this channel. So if you're interested in creativity, consider subscribing to my channel. So today we are talking about doodling. This is the second video in the series of doodling with creative edge. And today's video is going to be less of creativity or art or drawing and more of information related to the drawing. So let's not waste any time and get into the video directly. Okay, doodling is a kind of art form which really engages your mind and makes you feel good from inside. I was very curious to know why, so I did a little bit of my research and came to know about these 8 points why doodling is beneficial to you. So let's get to the point directly. Point number 1, outlet of creativity. Okay, so this one is quite obvious and you probably know this one, but it's needed to be mentioned. Every line drawn is an extension of creativity. While doodling, you give your mind an opportunity to express itself in a creative way. Point number 2, great for concentration. Obviously, when you're drawing, when you're doodling, you are into the drawing, so it keeps you focused on your drawing, and that's why it's great for concentration. Point number 3, promotes getting rid of stress. So when you doodle, doodling has a unique capability of getting rid of stress. When I was researching about it, I got to know that when you doodle, the act of doodling taps into the deeper surface of your brains and brings the deeper emotions out on the surface. So this helps getting rid of stress. So it is good for stress relieving. Point number 4, it encourages humor. Okay, so this is very obvious. We all need a good laugh from time to time, especially when we are feeling blue. This is when doodling comes into play. So when you draw, especially faces, you tap into the humorous side of your brain. You activate the humorous side of your brain. Like, have you ever noticed when you are sitting idle and you have a pen and paper in your hand, you draw some face, imaginary face, let it be a boss, a family member, and it suddenly turns out to be funny? That's because you've tapped into the humorous side of your brain. So doodling helps doing that. Point number 5, useful for relieving anxiety. One of the amazing benefits of doodling is it keeps you focused in here and now. So basically, you live in the moment. It keeps your mind engaged in the work you're doing. So doodling really helps in it. That is why it is okay to doodle before a test or an interview. Ask yourself, क्या better है? To stress about the outcome or to just randomly doodle anything? Obviously, to doodle rather than stressing over the situation. Point number 6, helps problem solving. Basically, doodling helps in generating fresh new ideas. What it does is it allows the person to get distracted from the problem and getting inspired to find new solutions. It helps the brain to kick around and find for some new inspiring ideas. So it's good for problem solving. Point number 7, it helps generating patience in yourself. So what doodling does is, doodling anything takes time, requires you to sit at a place, work on it, think about it, and draw about it. So all of this requires a lot of patience. So it inculcates in you quality of patience. Point number 8, encourages self-discovery. Okay, this is really deep, but when you draw a shape, a line or a figure, you allow your brain an opportunity for self-discovery. By accessing what you drew, by seeing what you drew, you get to know your inner you in a more better way. So that is how doodling helps you in so many ways, and practice keeps you going. So it is not that you'll be perfect from the start, but once you start it from scratch and you start doing it continuously, it will really help you, and it is very easy. Anybody can doodle. Okay, so to conclude today's video, I like to tell you doodling is much more than a pastime. So next time if anyone tells you that doodling is such a waste of time, show them this video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, share with others, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, doodles!